In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant user to QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and should take no more than a few minutes. It's a crucial step for ensuring that your accountant has the access they need to help manage your finances effectively. So let's get started and make this process as simple as possible for you. First off, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, look for the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all of QuickBooks' amazing features. Once you're prompted to sign in, select QuickBooks Online from the options presented. This ensures that you're accessing the correct platform where you'll manage user permissions. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your email address and password. After you've entered this information, click the Continue button. Ensuring accuracy at this step is crucial because it's what grants you access to your account. If you're having trouble signing in, double check that you're using the right credentials, or consider resetting your password if necessary. After you've successfully logged in, head over to the settings menu. You'll find this option typically at the top right hand corner of your screen. Clicking on it will open a drop down menu. Look for the Manage User option and select it. This section allows you to handle all user permissions and see who has access to your QuickBooks account. Inside the Manage User settings, navigate over to the Accounting Firm tab. Clicking this tab is pivotal because it's specifically designed for situations like this when you need to grant your accountant access. Here's where you'll carry out most of the action. Once you're in the Accounting Firm tab, you'll see an area where you can enter an email address. Type in your accountant's email address. Make sure to double check that it's correct. This is vital because you want to ensure the invite reaches the right person. A single mistyped letter or number could send the invite elsewhere, causing unnecessary delays. After entering the email address, you'll come across an invite button. Go ahead and click on it. This action sends an email invitation to your accountant, allowing them to access your QuickBooks Online account securely. Keep in mind that this step is critical to give your accountant the necessary permissions to assist you. Finally, it's always a good idea to give your accountant a heads up. Send them a quick note or call to let them know that you've sent them an invite code. This proactive communication ensures they're aware and can look out for the invitation, helping to streamline the process. And there you have it, adding an accountant user to QuickBooks Online is just that easy. Make sure to reach out to your accountant should they face any issues with the invite, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and I hope this process is as seamless for you as intended.